Oh, wonderful. What a goal. And what a time. In what a place. What a player. Wayne Rooney, out of this world, 2-1 United.
Bicycle.
Wayne Rooney's bicycle against Manchester
City,
City.
yeah.
One of the goal of the decade it was given, if I'm not wrong.
Wayne
It was
Rooney
a
is
classic
United's
moment.
highest goal scorer, if I'm not wrong, and he is also the scorer of their most beautiful goals. असं माझं
Yeah, I mean, he was the scorer of a free kick in a charity game last week,
Yeah.
which was the first free kick scored at Old Trafford for 2.5 years.
Yeah. I hate to admit, great player.
I mean,
even before he joined United, he has sunk Arsenal once.
Yeah. His aura was.
तो पण स्क्रीमरच होता.
हो.
17-year-old बॉय वडिलांचा शर्ट घालून खेळत होता. म्हणजे हा कोण आलाय कुठून आलाय आणि त्यांनी एक 40 यार्ड स्क्रीमर मारला डेव्हिड
जबरदस्त
सिमनच्या
म्हणजे. आणि
डोक्यावरून.
He's not a Barclays man. He defined that league at that time.
पोस्ट फर्ग्युसन एरामध्ये यू कुड सी हिम ही इज प्लेइंग अप टॉप आणि द मिडफिल्डर्स आर नॉट ट्रॅकिंग बॅक, पण तो पोचलाय परत काउंटर अटॅक डिफेंड करायला आणि द
And he
कमिटमेंट
did it at DC United also. पूर्ण ट्रॅक बॅक केला आणि असिस्ट दिला तिकडनं. म्हणजे फेनॉमिनल प्लेअर.